Hey, hello, sir and madam. How may I help you today?
Yeah, you know I really like marble. Can we have marble in our house? Like everything also marble. Can you please?
Can. Whatever you say also can, dear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So right.
All marble.
All
That's
marble.
it.
Okay, I want the countertop to be marble.
Can, no the problem.
Okay.
Steady.
Then also right, I want our living room, the sofa, the table, all to be marble. Okay?
Wow, like grand like that, right?
yeah,
Settle the
can.
cactus. No
Can,
the problem.
okay.
Yeah.
Then another thing right, the walls right, the ceiling also I want marble. I want the red marble one. Can.
The red marble. Can. No the problem. Steady. The cactus confirm guarantee job. Can.
You say can already.
Hey, you sure or not? Hey, I sound also not right The whole house marble. Don't look funny, man.
Marble nice. Very nice. Whole house marble. The toilet bowl also marble. Even your TV console also marble.
The sofa
Very
also
nice. Yeah, the sofa also marble.
Hello, sir, ma'am. Good evening. How may I be of help? Suppose you're looking for an interior designer.
Okay, I want my house to be retro with jukebox and other kind of retro things.
No, sir. In this age of the 21st century, as you know, retro and vintage is like very out of town. Like 21st century, we don't do that. What I suppose so, it's like mixing like Scandinavian and industrial like design theme. So it's like skin drastic, you know? Why? Because I myself is a 16-time award-winning interior design. Like consider it done. It's a done deal, man. So let's go for it, man. Yeah.
Actually, just now whatever you say, I don't really understand.
Oh,
so, are you able to add some?
Talking like that.
I don't know. He talk, I really understand. So I must talk in his lingo so I can understand him.
You
Never mind.
Is your husband mocking me?
Yeah. No, I'm not mocking you. I just
great.
want some light blue in the house. Are you able to do it for me?
Well, light blue, I don't think it's that great because as we're Chinese, it's like, it's
Yeah, but for Oriental to us, yes, red and red as well. In the Chinese standard, listen to me, like it's like Chinese Oriental, like mixer all over the place. No, so you listen to me, alright?
You are interior designer,
Yeah.
so can you do something for me and listen to me?
no, because what I have like great visions for your place. We are going to make, your house is going to make me a 17-time award-winning interior designer.
Wait, hello? Hey, now my kitchen still not ready. You okay or not?
Boss, don't worry lah. I'll call my guys. Next week settle for you.
Confirm or not?
Confirm. Next week Monday you come everything ready, sweet. Very nice.
Okay, you say one
Yeah, confirm.
Next week
Confirm.
Okay.
1 week later.
Wait. Hey, I give you 1 week already leh. Still like that. Wow, the kitchen still haven't finished. And some more, the things right, last week put here, now also here. Hey, you got start work or not?
Hey, hello bro. Hey, you don't so shy at me first. Sorry man. Yeah. Can I tell what, bro? Very sorry. Because as you know now every day raining, my workers cannot come in from Malaysia. Yeah. I settle for you no the problem.
You say one huh?
I say one.
Okay
Hey, why you wearing my jacket today?
Dear, we want underwear 2% share one shirt 2% share one. Aiyo. Dear, I tell you if later I scold vulgarity you stop me Jialat, where's my phone? Your phone come. Wait! Hey, you okay or not? See me lollipop? Huh? Now when already? Last week you tell me Friday. Tell me Friday. Now Monday already. Things still haven't done. You do what lollipop are you?
Okay, bro, you listen to me. Okay, just one last day. I can give you then after that I will settle for you. This last day, I say which day, right? I confirm settle for you. Steady or not? Just one last day only.
Hey, hello guys. Hey, sir. Hello. Hey, sir. Hey, hi, ma'am. Hey, hi. My name is Johnson. Johnson.
Who are you,
I'm your interior designer. Wait. I sit down first. Before we talk, yeah. Wait. No smoking here, but I just put Yeah, for the action only. Yeah. Now can we discuss your house? Why, sir? Never seen interior designer before me? Huh? Hey, sir.
Eh, wake up. Dia wake up. You very
Yeah.
tired ah?
No ah. Wow, these few days never sleep well ah. Then I just have a weird dream I dream of meeting different kind of interior designer. The yes kind, the Bing kind, the never finish job one. I don't know my dream how come got so many scenarios and some of the interior designer all the same person one
Probably just a dream.
Yeah, I also think it's a dream
Yeah.
Cannot be lah.
No,
Correct, oh?
later cannot be real.
Hey, hello, man. And
Hey, it's you!
who me? Sir, I never met you.
Familiar
Familiar?
Dia everything.
Yeah. No lah, I never met you before lah, bro. Yo, this is our first time, man.
You everything also say yes one right?
No lah, but the person you say confirm not me
the dream one.
lah. Yeah.
Then you Bing one?
No, you see I wear so presentable, wake up. I mean,
You Picasso type?
no lah, this is interior designer, yeah. This interior designer, where got?
Then you will delay my renovation or not?
Wow, bro, you are seeing my Facebook, the testimony or not? Very responsible one. Like I always take care of the house, just like my own baby. Usually I don't even dare to have a baby. Oh my house, my baby.
Okay, dream and reality should be different Should be normal one this.
Yeah, can. Yeah, so you guys take a look. Take a look at our floor plan, right? So this is your kitchen, your living room again, your room.
Say.
Yeah, very nice,
You
right?
prepare finish for us
Yeah, confirm. Nice or not? Nice or not?
Dream and reality different dear.
Yeah,
Aiyo.
confirm. Can or not? Can.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, then don't look at it. Fine.
Hey, we haven't said yes
Fine.
You haven't tell us how much yet?
You just sign. I will fill in the numbers myself Very simple one
Where can like that one?
Can like that? Confirm, ma'am. You must trust me. You see my Facebook testimonial. So many confirm one. Sign Then I'll give you free hook, hot kitchen, everything. The
Diam. Pinch me. Oh, you really pinch
Why?
Yeah, sign. Thank you. I need to go already. Yeah.
Dear, I need to go outside a while.
Hey, guys, think what you hey, your husband, hey, you have to. Hey, man, sir, haven't signed first. Hey,
Dear, pinch me one more
sign,
time.
hey me.
Really real
What happened to you?
I don't know My dream and reality same the interior designer look alike But this one don't have the one like my dream like that but this one also something wrong So hard sell
No, we just
Baby.
follow my friend on
Baby.
about Renopedia.sg.
Baby.
We go there, right? Then we can find interior design.
Find from Renopedia.sg.
Yeah, I think we just do that. Hey guys, thank you for watching our 5 types of interior designers. Well, don't let this be a nightmare to you. You can head on to Renopedia.sg to find the perfect designer for your dream home. On top of that, when you sign up, you can get free renovation codes, free e-magazine, and also a renovation checklist. So what's even better is that you get up to 40k cashback when you actually sign up and renovate your home. Bye-bye!
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.